This is me living the life. I'm on the hunt to find a place where to sleep I can find in 10 minutes. About to start my cycling journey going to Busan, so this is my day 1.
자고 텐트 자고.
Hindi ko naintindihan. I've been busy packing and fixing my bike, pero as of now, I finally made it. Nice ko na yung bike ko, and yeah, I'm currently in the middle of nowhere here. It turns out that every Sunday they have this kind of public space that I wish we have. People can chill from their work, so yeah, this is what South Korea is all about, that I don't know until I got here. So that's what I really like about when you're doing a bike tour. It's totally different when a typical traveler. It's kind of hard to explore on your own. Yeah, but right now it's just I was just randomly passing by, and I've been spending 1 hour here just chilling in the front of Han River. I've been seeing this river. So I don't have much expectation. In the next few days, I'm gonna be cycling to Busan. But right now, it's a way to just chill out and just test my bike and see what's gonna happen next. It's really nice to be on a place that's totally new to you. You don't know what's gonna happen next. You don't know where to sleep tomorrow, and I don't even know what I'm gonna be doing later. So that's one thing we forget when we do solo traveling, like the freedom that we get from it. Like, you won't get it from anything. Yeah, so far I'm really loving it here. It's my first time to appreciate city because I'm not a fan of city. Good luck on my journey. I don't know how many months will it be, but one thing is for sure, I'm always ready for another adventure. And decided to do the typical tourist spots here in Hongdae. So Hongdae is like a night market. It's a party area here, so I think it's a different vibe because it's been a long time since I went to a big city, so I really appreciate Seoul because it's totally different from Manila. Like, it's super organized. It's a first world country, so I want to spend more time in here and just explore the city and just be a typical girl. So I went here in Hongdae and I met some few Asians in my dorms. Like, if the room is full of Asians, it's hard to say that, oh, she's from Malaysia. I like it that some people here can speak Chinese. I don't speak Chinese. So they have this.
Oh, you are lonely?
Yeah, I'm lonely. They have this common ground. Like, these two can speak Chinese. Yesterday they can speak Korean, even though Japanese and Chinese. So nice. So nice to have your own, to learn something new. Yeah.
I can learn something.
Really nice because my dorm is like, I was really surprised because most of my dorm mates are people from Europe, and the people in my dorm we're all Asian, and we just spent few nights here and I met a lot of people here. After this, I decided to start my tour. Spent my 10 days here. That's the thing, I didn't realize I'm already 10 days here in Korea and I haven't started my tour yet, so I spent most of my time editing videos in between. Yeah, today I'm really about to start my tour. Yeah, so that's the thing, if you're a full-time travel content creator, you have to balance between adventure and working. Yeah. Oh, so ito na, magsisimula na talaga tayo. I spent my few days here. Hello.
Hi.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Don't go.
See you in Taiwan.
Okay.
Most likely, this is my last day. Hindi pa naman ako mamatay. This is my last day of sleeping inside a room, in a comfortable room, because I don't know where I'm gonna be heading next. I don't know if I don't know what's gonna happen. So yeah, this is my day 1 of adventure. I'm planning to visit Korea ever since before because I'm really such a fan of K-dramas, and I've watched a lot, and Korea is one of my dream countries, and I want to see the different side of it aside from the typical city life. So in the next few days, I'm gonna explore different parts of it, and I'm gonna cycling from Seoul to Busan for I don't know how many days. So stay tuned for what's gonna happen on the next part of it. Hello, kabayan. Sige po, ingat! Imagine mo yung mga daan dito papunta sa ilalim ng tulay. May mga ginawa silang pathway. I'm now finally leaving Seoul after 10 days of being a city girl. I'm about to start my cycling journey going to Busan. So this is my day 1. Yeah, so they have the cycling path here. I think this is one of the longest cycling path in the world. So we're gonna test it out. There are tons of cyclists here around even though it's weekdays and 2 p.m. right now. It's very relaxing. Imagine they built this road exclusively for cyclists. Very cool though. Like here, ibang-iba talaga siya sa bansa natin. It's really different from my country. Like, they have a safe space for cyclists and you can see that outdoor is for everyone. Like, they have safe space for all. So it's been 2 hours. I'm really tired. I only have 2 hours of sleep. So it's already 4:30. I'm just gonna find a place for to sleep. So the city is on the other side, like SLEX. So para tayo nasa SLEX sa kabilang side, but they made a pathway so people can enjoy walking and cycling like outdoor activity. Ay, nakita ko dito, it turns out bawal dito mag-camp, so I need to find another one. It's already 5 p.m. I am on the hunt to find a place where to sleep. So hopefully I can find in 10 minutes kung saan na nakabutin. Yeah! Woo! Sarap! Look at this. Yeah, it's 5:12 today and I don't know where to sleep. I don't want to spend money for a hotel. So I think I might sleep there. Me living the life. So in order for you to have the life you want, you have to live with it. Yeah, live with your dreams. Feels like I'm a beggar here. But yeah, being in a peaceful place like this feels serene. Hopefully I'm safe here. I don't know. I cycled 40 kilometers today and I found a spot here. Struggle is real. So day 1 of, yeah, this sums up my day 1. 5 p.m. Naghanap na ako ng emergency kung saan pwede mag-camp. Kaya kasi goal kong mag-camp for the next few days. Buti na lang may binili akong chicken while ago, so I'm gonna eat here. Tomorrow I'm gonna show you. Hopefully no one find me here. It's already 6:30 a.m. and I just found out na 6:59 pa yung sunrise dito. So medyo madilim pa. Ngayon mag-start na tayo mag-pack up. I cannot show you my view right now. So this is my tent. This is where I camp. And that's the cycling path over there. Good morning, it's my day 2 of cycling to Busan. I really noticed that a lot of people are starting to cycle already even though it's dark. So yeah, I'm a little bit late because it's already 8 a.m. I don't know where I will ended up today. Yeah, let's just see. So right out at 8 a.m. I didn't know where I'll end up today, but I didn't know that after where I come, it's really beautiful. When I woke up, there's a beautiful mountain in front of me, like this one. Oh my gosh! And you can see the flowers here. Oh, I'm so hungry. I just wanted to brush right now and shower. Yeah. And I visited a restaurant up there because on the other side there are cars like the highway, and this is what they built for cycling. Like that's one is a highway. Yeah. Enter the tunnel. Oh my god. First time. Exclusively for cyclists. No noise. Very silent. Oh. As of now, this is the only portion where you're near the car. Most of the pathway here is like very away from the cars. This way to Busan. Restaurant. So basically here there are tons of restaurants when you go out. So the parking is just nearby the cycling path, and surprisingly there are tons of cyclists here around. Like the cycling community is very boom here. Like I can't believe that they have this kind of thing in Korea. So I ordered this food. It's really hard to order that. I've been looking to order rice But yeah, thankfully I found one. So this is only 12,000. One very nice food. Very nice food. It's been 1 hour of cycling and my eyes sobrang fulfilling. I don't know why it is there. So there's one thing I've been thinking right now, like I wanna do this again, like invite people to join with me, organize a tour. And yeah, hopefully you guys can see this as well in the future. It's really nice. 안녕하세요. How many camera? Only one.
Okay, tagay!
Guys, you live there? Ah, okay. Most coffee shops here are catered for cyclists, so they even have this bike trainer.
난 가격 안 봤어.
Cheers. This recorded. Cheers.
Oh.
저거 이쁘다.
어머.
Acha! Lost. Yeah, I'm now with the cyclist. Finally, I was able to talk to people after hours of just cycling alone. So nice. Currently here in Yangpyeong, I found, I don't know how many stops. Pangilan na to? I don't know. But I'm just gonna do it for formality. Yeah, I think most cyclists from Seoul are just until Yangpyeong, then they're gonna go back now. In here, there's few people. There are few people now compared a while ago. Yangpyeong station where I got my stop, it's kind of hard to distinguish where's the right path, but thankfully I figured it out. Yeah. So we're going to Yangpyeong so far is the most scenic part. I'm kind of lost. So I thought the way is in there, but yeah, I just need to follow some other cyclists where they're going, because it's really hard to ask questions here. They cannot understand English. But yeah, I found a way. That's the thing about your travel. You will always find your way no matter what's your struggle is. Wow, English! 감사합니다.